Hi everyone, we have a problem here and we've been asked to find the area of this yellow shaded region. Well, we first need to connect the center of these circles by lines that will form an equilateral triangle because each side of the triangle is 1 plus 1, which will get 2 by each side. In an equilateral triangle, we have 60 degrees for every angle, so we only need to find the area of this triangle and subtract these three segments from this area. For the triangle, we just need to draw the height of the triangle, which is perpendicular to the base, and the base is 2. We can get 1 for this and 1 for this. I donate this height by h, and we finally get a right triangle. And if I take it here, the base is 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and because this is 2, and the h for the height, we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the value of h. So we can write 2 squared is equal to h squared plus 1 squared. If we simplify this, we get 4 is equal to h squared plus 1. If we subtract 1 from both sides, we finally get h squared is equal to 3. If we take a square root from both sides, we will have h is equal to a square root of 3. And for the area of this triangle, we can write 1 over 2 times b and times h, b for the base and h for the height of the triangle. We can write 1 over 2 times b, which is 2 for the base of the triangle, and h, which we have already found, which is a square root of 3. We can cancel out these two, and the area finally will be a square root of 3. For these three sectors, we know that these angles are 60 degrees. If we sum these angles, we will have 180 degrees, which we know that this is the angle of a half circle. So we can place these sectors next to each other. We will have a half circle, and the area of a half circle is the area of a full circle, which is pi r squared and divided by 2. If we substitute the value of r, we'll get pi times r, which is 1 to the power of 2, and divided by 2, we get pi over 2. The area of this yellow shaded region is equal to the area of this triangle, which we have already found, a square root of 3 minus pi over 2. And if we use calculator, we will have 0.16 for this area. And this is the final answer for the problem. Have a good time.